And here I have my onion plants. They are yet to dry off, so after it's completely dry I have to harvest them. So I have some potatoes, onions, and here we have some more tomatoes here. Let me harvest them. Look at that beautiful bunch. Look at that. Okay, so I think I removed all the tomatoes for today. And then I have my mint growing here. Look at the leaves of my mint, how big it looks. Look at that. Okay, so this is my mint. And here I have some spinach, Indian spinach variety. I picked up all the leaves and I left it to seed. So I will be collecting these seeds for next year. So I have some small ones growing here, so I have to harvest those leaves. And then my pea plant is almost dried up. I'm going to plant it again for the fall season. And I have a very big Manatakali cherry here, the nightshade. And we have some capsicum plants here. These are the capsicums all getting ready. You can see a tiny one there. And I have some onions. And for the surprise you have here, first time I'm growing bitter gourd. Every year I keep trying but they never come up. This year they have grown so beautiful. Look at that. And I here, do you see them? My god, they look so gorgeous. I love looking at them every day. Look at that. Don't they look beautiful? So I have 3 of them here. 2 I already harvested. I have 1 more here. And you've got a lot of flowers in here too. And here is my cucumbers. 1 I already harvested. You would have seen in my previous harvest video. This is 1 cucumber growing here, and I have few more small ones here. I have 1 here that is yet to be pollinated. So I'm waiting for 1 more male flower for it to get pollinated here. So that's my cucumber. And then I have a lot of capsicum, the bell peppers. So you can see here I have some capsicums getting ready. They're all still small. I have a lot of tiny ones. And this is my gerbera daisy. These gerberas are beautiful. 1 is orange and 1 is pink. And I have a tulsi plant here and 1 more nightshade plant growing there. And my gorgeous, beautiful looking hibiscus. My cousin had gifted me this. It's so beautiful. And here is my jasmine. And here I have the squash, the bottle gourd. So hope to see some. This is, I hand pollinated them. So hope to see a bottle gourd soon. So this will grow into a bottle gourd. So I have few more in here. So I have this plant growing really well. I have about 3 female flowers, hoping to see them produce the bottle gourd. And I have a rose plant here. I successfully grew this from a stem, from a bouquet rose. One of the stems, I will soon post a video on how I did that. So this is a successful propagation from a stem. It's a beautiful peach colored rose. And for one more surprise of this year is my snake gourd plant. This is also my new trial for this year. The snake gourd on the side of my gazebo here. And here comes our surprise snake gourd. I'm so excited to see this. So I have to tie a rock or something to this to keep it straight. That's what I was instructed. So this is my snake gourd. I know this side there is sunlight less, so you can't see clearly. Let it grow a little more bigger. I'll again post another video on this. I'm really excited to see this snake gourd grow. So I have one more snake gourd growing here. This is really tiny one here. This one here, can you see? Yeah. This is a tiny one and this is a little more bigger. So that's my 2 real surprises for this year. One is the snake gourd and the bitter gourd. So my white pumpkin is yet to grow. I have to see them flower. This one I had a plant last year, but the plant grew so slow. It went into winter and then it started freezing up. So the fruit really didn't become big. Halfway it froze. So hoping to see a bottle gourd this year. So that's it about my garden. Hope you like my garden tour and what are the plants I have. Here's a quick look for you. Right hand side of my garden, I have my beautiful lilac tree on the back. And that's a quick look of my garden again. Okay, see you soon with another video. Bye for now.